Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2026. Let's take a look at the economic chuja tam. Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2026. Let's take a look at the euro dollar first. So what do we have here on the euro dollar for our time frame chart? We have a very important situation here. From the technical perspective, we have a breakout to the downside below the demand zone. 1.1641 was the last level here. That was a technical support. We made a low at the level of 1.1609, and now the market is trying to test this breakout. So right now this level here will act as the technical resistance, and this zone will become the technical resistance as well. So that's the situation here. Let me just change the colors for the red. Let me just take a look. This one is good, this one is good. Okay, so right now breakout below, and yes, right now this is the key level here, and breakout below might be even more bearish, and we can go as low as the lower channel line. Lower channel line would be around 1.1550, and then if we out of the channel, look at this, if we out of the channel, then the situation might be a little bit difficult for the bulls, because the next target for the bears is 1.1508. so that's the current situation on the euro dollar. Quite bearish extension to the downside. Nevertheless, if we take a look at this extension to the downside, you can clearly see, let me just get my Elliott wave correction, you can clearly see that this is something like that, yeah, ABC to the downside, 3 waves only, so that might be only corrective. However, we didn't stop at the demand zone, we broke it, and now we are looking for the better support. For now, 1.1650 didn't work. Pound cable did exactly the same thing. So after the 5 was to the upside, we got the movement to the downside. Local low was made at 1.3301. So right now we are trying to bounce from the, of course, extremely oversold market conditions. So we should see some sort of the nice bounce action here, and this is the technical resistance. That's the other technical resistance, 1.3380, and of course this is the technical resistance right now, but it doesn't actually look like market respects this level. So let me just remove it. 1.33 was the round number that is now the low, and the market is trying to test all of this technical resistance levels. That's still the major technical resistance, and some minor ones along the way higher. US dollar versus the Japanese yen keeps moving higher. It's out of the channel, all right. Nevertheless, I will stick to my previous channel. Let me just move it a little bit higher. Exactly, not this one, but this one. Let me just move it a little bit higher. So all of this levels here, 157.95 is now technical support. This level here is technical support. This level here is technical support yet again. So we are back inside of the channel. US dollar hits extremely overbought conditions. Look at this movement here. Nevertheless, there is no sign of any kind of a technical correction right now. Very interesting situation. We are back inside of the channel, roughly around the middle of this channel, and the bulls are still trying to move higher. Gold market is losing all of the ground, so that wasn't a corrective, impulsive movement. As we thought before, there is the wave Y. Let me just show you. The last wave to the downside, the wave Y was too short. We need bigger, deeper wave Y. Below we will move up again. So what do we have here right now? Supply zone. That used to be the demand zone. Now it's going to be supply zone yet again. So let me just change the colors for the red, and that's quite interesting situation we got here. So that's the zone here. Obviously 4,603 is the technical resistance, and we still got this technical support. Nevertheless, we broke it, took the liquidity out. 4,479 was the low into the extremely oversold conditions. Now the market got a chance to move a little bit higher, especially to test the supply zone. S&P 500 finally is going lower. 7,500 points hit as indicated before. Local high 7,516 and reversal. How deep did we go? We already did something like 2.17%. So it means we have the overbalance of price and time. And this movement to the downside is no longer part of this movement to the upside. Bearish divergence finally kicked in. Momentum at the level of 40. We should see bigger movement to the downside, possibly towards 7,320, which will be minus 2.61, or even deeper towards the next level. Let me just grab my, there you go, or even deeper here, basically towards that level here, and that would be in that situation something like 3%. Yes, minus 3.24, and that would be full scale correction of the recent movement. Crude oil is up. Crude oil is up again. Nevertheless, look at this funny little situation here. We have a pin bar here. Looks like a little bit of a shooting star-ish. Confirmation is being built. A red candle here. Local high 108.69 into the extremely overbought conditions. Market might be ready to move lower. And the Bitcoin got rejected brutally from the supply zone as expected, and the market is moving lower. We are below the $80,000. We are far away from the $80,000 right now, are roughly around $77,000. So all of these levels here will now act as the technical resistance, just as expected. So first we got first try, second try, fourth try, rejection. Sorry, third try, rejection. We are below the level of 50, trying to hit the extremely oversold conditions. So that means that we might see test of 76,000 before we will do some sort of the upward movement yet again. On the Bitcoin, if we switch to the daily, you can see this, well, you can still see this bearish F flag or flag pattern, something like this, and that was a very, very interesting zone here between these levels here. So right now this situation might be even more interesting as we got rejected on a daily. Bearish engulfing, rejected on the daily. The demand zone is way below the level of 7,400, right? So this is this little demand zone here. That's the next target for the bears. As you can see, on the momentum broke below the level of 50, right now 44 points, but there is long road towards the extremely oversold conditions. This zone here might be the perfect example of a demand zone working and then movement back up towards the supply zone or breakout, and then we are going to test the lower flag line, which is here. It's the blue one. All right, let me just check it and change it to the black one. There you go. So it's the lower black one, and if we break below this line, from the technical point of view, that will indicate further movement even more to the downside. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.